Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Read the problem until every requirement becomes clear and unambiguous. Write each requirement as one concrete sentence. Create a minimal reproducible example that isolates the issue and shows failure. Run that example and confirm the error or incorrect behavior. List inputs, expected outputs, constraints, and edge cases before coding. Note performance limits like time, memory, and data sizes for realistic solutions. Sketch a simple algorithm or plan before writing any Python code. Break the plan into small, testable steps that you can implement independently. Search docs, standard library, and examples for existing functions or patterns that solve parts of the problem. Implement one small step and run focused tests immediately. Write tests that cover normal cases, edge cases, and performance scenarios to validate correctness and speed. Refactor code for clarity and run tests after each change to avoid regressions. Use meaningful names, small functions, and clear control flow to reduce bugs. Profile hotspots, then optimize algorithms or data structures using measured data rather than assumptions. Prefer readability first, then optimize only the slowest parts. Document assumptions and include docstrings, examples, and usage notes for users and future maintainers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.